it starts
What's
the
with
video.
this? What's with this?
What'd you do?
Oh man, it's way low.
I don't want to wreck our flawless paint.
Yeah, Chaz is being careful with the paint. That's why Chaz doesn't like these.
Works and shit on this.
Goofy.
I think that looks like.
You don't think it needs to be like that?
What does that say?
This one says 195.
I don't know. I don't think somehow.
We need to fill this.
Huh?
We need to fill that with water or coolant.
They all have that. Almost all thermostats have an air bleed.
Yeah, but it has a little cover so it closes.
Then obviously it would bleed. Or we could just drill a little teeny hole right there. And see, the thing is, if you're pouring water in here, how does the air get out? No, that's why it overheated, because it's the piece of shit doesn't.
That's why our grommet melted. You gotta fill this. And put the thermostat in
Well, that
there.
would certainly help.
Yeah. Because why doesn't it have any water in here right now?
When the engine's running, it should bleed the heater, you'd think. There's some air there, not much.
Yeah, sure, let's do it.
Hmm?
Let's do it.
Okay. See how it can. And that is not enough leakage to make a difference of.
Yeah?
Whatever. It needs to get smeared. Some trick to. There's some bubbles coming up. See that?
Mm-hmm.
And, the guy had the car jacked up and it was in gear. What do you do? What's the first thing you do when you jack a car up?
Make sure it's not in gear.
Make sure it's out of gear. Because what happened in that case was a wrench fell off the ring rail down onto the starter motor, turned it over, drove it off the stands, and caught him by the head. Had his head pinned under. It's just a little MG, you know. There's not room for your head. He actually came out okay, but everybody was pretty panicked about it. But I didn't say nothing. But God dang, I was probably 20 at the time, and I said, "Are you?" And he's like, shop owner guy, macho mechanic. I said, "Are you so stupid?" Never
I don't
mind.
know how mechanics do, they take shortcuts.
Wisconsin.
Yeah.
Well, tighten it up. enough of an attachment down there that it doesn't. Soft.
It's moving. We were driving. It would start working and then not.
Well, I would be able to get into gear,
Yeah.
you know. It's acting like it either has air in it or the master doesn't really work. And not enough air pressure to pop it off. Failed already. Clutch master cylinder doesn't work. Oh man.
I think I ordered that from the nautical guy.
I think it should stop dripping.
It'll never stop dripping.
All right. Those are even the same distance. Maybe there's some internal parts that'll help.
And we bought the clutch master cylinder October 18th for $42.90.
And it doesn't. How's this supposed to work? This prevents fluid from going past it, right?
Mm-hmm.
What does that do?
It's a secondary seal.
No. You can look at this and you can see what it does, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pressure is on this side of it and it pushes it like that. And well, see this one, this see doesn't have this O-ring theory. It has another seal.
Theory.
Only $27.
How much? The first one you showed me for $220.
Why is that not right?